Oh, Shiba token holders. Shiba now that's good news video for all of you. In this video, I will share the Shiba latest update, but I think that this video is good news for all of you guys. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request all of you to please subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now the right now price of Shiba Inu in the market is about 0.00007 USD dollar. That is right now price of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of Shiba Inu, so you can see here that after a long time I found Shiba Inu positive, guys. After a long time, guys. And I hope, guys, that Shiba Inu will continue these positive changes for a long time, guys. Now the last 1 hour update is positive. Last 1 day changes update is also positive, guys. Let me show you price chart. You can see your price chart also going positive. And just look here, guys, you know what, there's last 1 week price update in from 22 September Shiba Inu start pumping, and again falls down for some time, and now yesterday again the price start pumping, guys. So now I'm talking about just yesterday update, 25 September update. The yesterday update is positive, and from yesterday Shiba Inu price start pumping, guys. As I show you guys that last 1 day changes is positive, guys. So now I believe, guys, that now the yesterday changes, the yesterday pump of Shiba Inu is the beginning of a huge pump. Now again approximately 20% trading volume of Shiba Inu is positive, and now again a lot of people are investing in the Shiba Inu, guys. That's why I feel that possibility that Shiba Inu price will pump and you get a huge profit, guys. But in October there is a higher possibility that price pump, guys. So you have to wait. Shiba Inu is also a good coin for long term investor, guys. Now negative 11.32% changes is negative, but that's last 1 week update, and I hope, guys, that very soon this update will become positive, guys. How do you feel today about Shiba Inu? What is your prediction? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys.